So who is Crest Ultrasonics? Crest Ultrasonics is a subsidiary of the Crest Group, one of 11 vertically integrated companies all around the world, so North America, Europe, and Asia, and manufacturing in each of those locations. And the Crest Group is centered around one thing, and that's the technology of ultrasonics. And Crest Ultrasonics is the leading best-in-class equipment manufacturer in the world, and we hope to show that to you in the next few slides here today. And Crest's reputation is earned over the years, and it's centered around quality, superior technology, go forward here. It's centered around quality, superior technology, and service to the customer, both before and during and after sales.